chapter unfolding for the planet of this cybernetic Earth, covering the Earth in sensors, measuring water, trash, forest cover. We've got satellites and sensors measuring everything, air pollution. There are all these new web libraries. There's more Wi-Fi and network than there ever have been before, and the sensors are getting cheaper. And so we'll be able to measure the entire Earth, kind of like a patient in a hospital. We'll be able to know what's going on and then feed that information in real time. And we've never, ever been able to do that before. So once we have all these numbers, we can really get some power in adding these game design techniques or this gamification of saving the planet. We can use all that idea of like fun, mastery, positive rewards, competition and collaboration together at the same time, and saving the world becomes fun. It becomes like a game, and the numbers give us this agency. So it's no longer the doom and gloom fight. It's now this fun, exciting quest to get to the future amazing world, like Luke Skywalker on the quest to save the universe. We're on our quest to change the world and to make it a positive, inspirational, imaginative, creative journey. And the numbers give us this ability. All this measurement is the circulatory system that comes behind that.